Okay, students, today we are going to study sequence and series. This is a new chapter, our ninth chapter in our NCERT textbook. Okay, we have already studied the fundamental part of this chapter in the 10th standard, in the chapter called arithmetic progression. Okay, there was a chapter in the 10th standard called arithmetic progression in our state syllabus. Okay, here also we have to study arithmetic progression. In addition to that, we have to study two more progressions here, and they are geometric progression or GP and harmonic progression or H. Here, for the board exam level, we need only arithmetic progression and geometric progression. But when we come to entrance, we have arithmetic progression also. Since we take entrance foundation, we have to study harmonic progressions also. Okay. So now we are going to study what is a sequence and series, which is not be asking for an exam, but we need to know the basic difference between a sequence and a series. Then only we can understand the remaining part of this chapter. Okay. Now let me explain here easily. Just look at it. Okay, Uncle. Here, a sequence is nothing but a list of things. It's nothing but a list of things separated by a list of things separated by a comma. For example, 1, 2, 3, etc. is a sequence. A, B, C, etc. is a sequence. Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, etc. is a sequence. So first one is a sequence of counting numbers. Second one is a sequence of English alphabets. Third one is a sequence of metropolitan cities in India. Okay, so this is what a sequence. Then what is a series? For example, there is a sequence A1, A2, A3, etc. This is a sequence. Then the series of this sequence is A1 plus, A2 plus, A3 plus, etc. Now did you understand what is a sequence and a series? We will write it again here. Okay. Let me do this first. So what is a series? A series is nothing but if we have A1, A2, A3 up to AN as a sequence, then the series is given by A1 plus, A2 plus, A3 plus, etc. plus AN. This is what a sequence. So series. So this is a sequence. This is a series. So what is a sequence? A sequence is nothing but a list of things separated by a comma. Then what is series? Summation of each and every term of the sequence. This series is also denoted by summation. A is equal to 1 to n, an. This symbol is called sigma or summation. So here, when we give value of A equal to 1, here we get A1. Then 2, we get A2. When we give 3, we get A3. When we give n, we get AN. So this is what a sequence and series. So these are the basic things that we need to know when we study this chapter. Okay. The next we are going to study is about arithmetic progression, which we have already started in the 10th standard. Even though we need a little bit of information about this. Okay, first of all we are going to see what is an arithmetic progression. If a sequence is progressed by a same number, then it is called an arithmetic progression. We are going to see an example. We are using the example 5, 7, etc. up to n. Here, the difference between 3 and 1 is 2. The difference between 5 and 3 is 2. Difference between 7 and 5 is 2. So here, whenever we subtract current term from its previous term, we get an exact same number. So this is an AP, and this number is called a common difference, and it is denoted by the term D. You get it? So what is an arithmetic progression? If a sequence is progressed by adding same number to the next term is called an arithmetic progression, and the common number that gets added is called a common difference. Did you get it? Okay. Then the first term is also called the first term here, and it is denoted by small letter a, and the last term is called the nth term. It's called the nth term of the sequence. It's the last term called the nth term of the given sequence. Okay. So here these are the basic things that we need to know about arithmetic progression. Now we are going to study three equations here. Three equations. These are the basic equations and the only equation that we have to study arithmetic progression. Okay. So what it is? Okay. Here we are going to study the equation to find the nth term of an sequence, which is a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the equation to find the nth term. The second, we are going to study an equation Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is an equation to find the sum of nth term. Okay, we use this equation in board exam level, and when we come to entrance, we use Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. We can use this as a board exam also. We can use this as entrance also, but this is more simpler. We get to save a lot of time when we doing entrance questions here. This is also the equation to find sum of entrance. So here, look at the first equation. We have a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is the first term, n is the last term, d is the common difference. And to find the sum of n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have sum of nth term. So n is the last term, a is the first term, n is the last term, d is the common difference. Here the last equation is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. N is the last term, a is the first term, and l is also the last term. Okay, so these are the three equations that we have to study in arithmetic progression, and we have one more equation which is called arithmetic mean. So here we have two elements, 1 and 3, which is an additive. So we have to insert a number in between 1 and 3 so that the resulting a sequence should be an A. Okay, when we add a number in between 1 and 3, then the resulting AP should be in an arithmetic progression. Okay, here the equation is given by a1 plus a2 by 2. Here we get to see a1 is 1, a2 is 3. So 1 plus 3, 4 by 2. We can insert the 2 here. So the AP will become 1, 2, 3, which is an arithmetic progression. What is the difference here? 1, 1. You get it? So this is all about arithmetic progression. So we are going to study arithmetic progression here. We know what is an arithmetic progression. We know what is the first term. We know what is the last term. We know what is common difference, and we have studied 4 equations here. This is all about arithmetic progression. Okay. The next we have to study is geometric progression. We are going to see in the next video. Thank you, students. To study hard, we have to do problems on this tomorrow. Thank you.